Hello, Jackie.
Hello, Adrian.
Hello.
How are you guys?
Good.
Good. What are we doing today?
Basically, we're doing an update video on your Civic, Matthew.
Very nice, are we?
Yes, it looks
That's good.
because it's on the ramp and it's being de-holed.
De-holed?
De-rust holed.
Wowee, I didn't think I would ever be de-holed.
Doing some basically MOT rust repair, really.
Very nice.
So getting it all sorted, and then the whole underneath will be ended up getting all this rust loose.
Yeah, it's not pretty,
Loose
is it?
rust, shall I say.
Yeah.
And then what we'll end up doing is protecting it, probably etch priming it, and then using some spray sealer.
Nice.
Get it all protected so we don't have to worry about it ever again.
Yeah.
For another 20, 30 years.
No, let's hope. Let's hope. For the minute, it's not the
Been
prettiest.
there and
Yep.
working like a slave.
Already doing things, already doing stuff. That's what we like. Look at that, he's already fixed that entire side.
Yeah.
That's magical.
So now, basically it's the front, isn't it, really? So
Yeah.
a little bit over there.
One there, and then onto
Oh
the
god,
front.
Yeah, nice
that
little
is
hole
that is an actual hole, isn't it?
AC hole, that one.
Oh, AC hole.
But yeah, just a few little bits to do.
Yeah, basically fixing holes. Fixing
Yeah, just
holes
making it
and
more
fixing rust.
roadworthy than
Yeah,
it is. So you can actually like get a proper MOT on it.
that'd be nice.
It'd be nice.
Yeah.
So, oil leak. I know.
Mystery oil.
I've done that. I've welded it in.
Nice.
Tighten front
What's the
trap
next thing on there? Front upper camera.
Front number camber arms, I've done that. Rear toe arms, I've done that. Tighten front trap lens, I've actually done that.
Nice.
Fuel baffle out, I've done that. Alternator, we've not done because we're going to wait until our friend Phil gets the loom in and sorted out, because I think it's more of a loom fault than a actual alternator itself fault. Rust, we are doing at the minute. Again, flatten jack point, we'll sort that out.
Yeah.
That's a field job, and that's a field job.
Nice.
High grade ground kit, we didn't really need that because
No.
we've already got one, so that can be done. Glove box will be done when the ECU's mounted properly, and seats will be done again when it's all mounted
Nice.
in there. And then obviously fuel breather. Did we get one for it in the end or not? If not, I have got a filter up there. I have got a filter up there we can just use.
Yep.
So what I do, we put it on the outside of the car, so it's breathing outside. You don't really want fuel vapor inside the car,
No,
which is not
we
good
do
for your
not.
health.
We do have filter in the boot.
Actually, yes, I have seen
We
it.
don't like coming out of it.
Yes, so I'll put the hole through it with a grommet,
Yeah.
put it outside.
Nice. So we're getting there. We are definitely getting there with the car.
Slowly,
Slowly.
but surely.
I know it's been a long time since we've updated it, but
Yeah.
we are getting there. So
Things, life gets in the way of stuff. So,
life and business things and car parts.
yeah. It'll be boosted, 1,000 horsepower.
1,000 horsepower!
Yeah, they only do it once.
So we're about to attack number 2. What's the plan with this side?
Just gonna replace this piece here
Yeah.
on the outer skin, and then chop away the old jacking point and
Yeah.
fab up a new one.
Yeah, nice. That is crushed, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wowee. Bits of metal flaking everywhere.
Yeah.
It'll be new soon. Let's go.
I'm currently taking them out. Basically a jacking point fuel, because somebody's got it out.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to make about 3mm thick steel. Probably a bit overkill, to be honest with you.
Guess if it's a jacking point, it's got to be
Yeah, it's
pretty
pretty strong. So
strong, isn't it?
you'd rather it be overkill than just about.
Yeah.
It's more likely you're going to be jacking it up to change drive shaft out probably when you launch it.
Yep, probably.
And miss third gear. So,
Missed third gear.
Yep.
Done that many times.
yeah. So I'm going to make out a mount and ready for Asia welding.
Nice.
All about helping out.
That is the one.
So I'll crack on with it right now.
Cool. Pew!
Lovely, look at that.
Look at that.
Made for the job. Right.
We get a new jacking point soon.
I'm dirty.
Yeah, you're a dirty boy, Scott. I agree. What's that bit for?
It's to replace one of the outer parts of the floor.
Got you.
Strengtheners.
Look at that.
That's gonna go in there in a minute eventually, a bit more shaped.
Nice. So, quick update on the car. We got Adrian behind me. is welding away, trying to fix a jacking point, and I am currently sat here in sunshine. It's beautiful. So waiting for him to weld that up, and then we can move to the next bit. We've got quite a lot of rust bits to go through, but at the minute he's just absolutely nailing through it. Adrian is a legend. Love that guy. So we'll cut to some more welding, and yeah, we'll see you in a minute. Hey Scott,
Hello, Jackie.
we got a jacking point!
We have. It's taken its weight, look.
Look at that.
Wow, wow, wow.
Tell you what, these are quite thin, aren't they, the Civic chassis?
Yeah.
You can see in there.
Yeah, not a lot. Extra
It's like a couple mil, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's crazy. We're done. We don't have any more rust.
It's got sand off the weld. Seam sealer, or prime seam seal, and then
Yeah, nice.
under seal,
That's awesome.
same kit. Yep. It'll take then, and then she's all ready for, not really, well, get running.
Guess that's the next thing, isn't it? Grind it down, stone chip it, and then
Yeah, be
good to
the
go.
cards for probably tomorrow, maybe.
Yeah. Nice. Sick.
Yeah, it's
Wow.
good.
All done.
Good.
Thank you very much, Adrian. You killed it. Did a great job. Look at that. We got a new jacking point.
Fucking crazy.
We don't have any holes.
No holds. No.
No more holes. Yeah, good.
All good.
Yeah.
Crazy, baby.
Nice shiny patches. Look
All ages hard work, we just
Gone. Covered up.
at that. Bye now.
Hello guys.
So,
Right. So after, to be fair, he's done it fairly quickly. So 6 hours worth of work.
yeah.
He's so the welding's done. So all the MOT rust repair is done.
Mhm.
Now all this other stuff here, like all this surface rust, I'm gonna be probably tomorrow. I'll probably end up cleaning it up with a wire brush, wire wheel
Yeah.
on the drill, and then I'm gonna be priming it,
Mhm.
protecting it, and then I'm gonna use some sealer, some good stuff, expensive stuff, and Matt's paying for it.
No, he's not.
Yeah, no, it makes it look like OEM, so it look like brand new again underneath. So I'm gonna take all
Yeah.
these lines down, exhaust down. Ideally, I might drop the arms down yet.
What,
Get
on the
it
rear?
underneath. Yeah,
Yeah.
just ideally you want everything down, like the whole front subframe lot, everything down. But
Thing
you're
is
not-
though,
you-
like
you're
there's
not-
so much stuff in it to take down.
yeah, and you're not really going for a concourse type look.
No, it's not going to be perfect, is it? It's
And like, it's not completely rusty really. It's not bad for
no.
EJ.
Obviously, we got like all this stuff, but you're gonna blast.
Yeah,
it
that
out,
will
aren't you?
get properly
through all
wire
that.
rolled off and then
Yeah.
protected.
Mhm.
Other than that, she's pretty much rock free.
Yeah.
So it's now,
I think it just looks worse than it actually is, isn't it? Like all
Yeah.
the bits that did have holes and they're cut out,
yeah,
and they're all sorted and seam sealed and.
it's all seam sealed now. So
Yeah.
get it all protected tomorrow.
Mhm.
I'll come in and just finish it up,
Yeah.
and
Nice.
then yeah, it's ready to go to our fill bag.
Yeah.
You can sort out looming and hopefully we get it all running. Like, well, pretty much. What's he gonna do? He's gonna get it running, wiring loom, and then
He's going to then go MOT. Then he's taking it down to mapping, and then we're good to go.
yeah,
And then after it's mapped, we're going to cut the car apart.
yes.
How exciting!
Can't wait.
Yeah, so there were a couple of bits that weren't worth doing, like here, for example. This is all being cut out because we're wide arching it, so we're gonna meow all the way around there. That's all gonna be gone. And then, yeah, the guys at Dragon are gonna weld, what's it called? Well, the plating, basically. Just gonna tub it, that's the one.
Yeah, tub, yeah.
So they're going to tub it all the way across on both sides. Front wings don't really matter because there's nothing structural, it's just a piece of aluminium, so we'll just chop that. And then this side, yeah, they'll weld it across.
Still, not aluminium.
Steel, yeah, it's steel, not aluminium. So yeah, that's it. That is it. That is all of our rust gone. And now we're just on stage 2. Scott's going to do that. Unfortunately, we're not going to be here to film that because he's doing it tomorrow, which is a
Yes.
Sunday, but I can't make it down. So
Sunday fun day.
Sunday fun day. But yeah, no, it's great. thank you for your help, Scott.
No worries, thank you.
You've done a great job.
Yeah.
And we will see you guys in the next video.
See you there, guys. Good one. Have a good one.